My name is Scott Wallace, and I'm from Elgin, Illinois. And today I'd like to talk about what I experienced as the president of USA Baby Inc. USA Baby Inc. was America's #1 specialty retailer of infant and children's furniture and accessories. It had annual sales of approximately $100 million in 2000, prior to 2008. In 2008, there was an involuntary bankruptcy petition that was brought by a group of creditors who claimed that they were owed money by USA Baby. I was, at that particular time, we had about 55 franchisees across the country. Those franchisees all collectively stopped paying royalties and continued to use the USA Baby name, trademarks, system, and continue to operate functionally as businesses. I brought this to the attention of the bankruptcy judge, who was Eugene R. Weedoff, and Judge Weedoff chose not to do anything about it. I raised this in numerous motions before him, stated that he didn't have jurisdiction over this particular case because there was an arbitration clause in place, but he continued to act, brought this before the district court in numerous motions and appeals, and eventually I brought this to the Seventh Circuit and to the Supreme Court. In each case, I presented different facts and law that supported the position that I was presenting to the court, and most of the time what I had stated in my pleadings or in my motions was overlooked, and additionally, most of the time the judges would actually not allow me to get evidence into the record, and they actively prevented me from getting evidence into the record. It created tremendous financial harm to me personally, and also to the person who was the majority shareholder of the company. I'm in the process of still fighting against this by bringing litigation. I've had to do all of this work myself, and so this is, my story. What I would like Congress to do about this is I would like you to, number one, I believe that there needs to be accountability for attorneys. Most attorneys are allowed to lie, and they're not held accountable for the lies that they tell. Even, and the system that's in place right now before state courts, which is that the state court system holds them accountable, doesn't work. And I would like also judges to be further held accountable for the actions that they take on the bench. There's no excuse for the level of abuse that I've seen among judges, by judges. And basically what we have today is we have a government, we have a court system that's of attorneys, by attorneys, for attorneys, and there's a system of what I would call a fraternity of attorneys, where if you're unrepresented, it's almost impossible for you to receive any type of justice in our current system.